Hey everyone, welcome back. Just try this question. So question number 2130 says that determine the angle theta and phi made between the axes OA of the flagpole and AB and AC respectively of each cable. So this question demands us that to find out the angle between the OA and AB and similarly the OA and AC. Now the dot product help us to find out the angle between the any two vectors, and the formula of dot product says that A dot B, which is equal to AB cos of theta. This is the formula of dot product. And theta, it is nothing but the angle between the A vector and the B vector measured through their tails. So that's why this theta are known as the tail to tail angle, or you can say that this is nothing but our mutual angle, because mutual angle is the angle measured through their tails. Now let's suppose if we have two vectors like this, and if we are going to measure the angle between these two vectors through their tails like this, so this is nothing but the tail to tail angle. Now I want you to all just write down this point in your notes, so it will help you in the future opportunity. Just solve this question. So I want you to all just look at the diagram very carefully. So our first step is to write down the locations of every single point present in our diagram. So let's start from the point O. So the point O is basically lie on the origin. So the location of point O can be written as O bracket 0 comma 0 comma 0 meter. This is the location of point O. Now, but what about the point A? So this 4 meter distance is considered to be the y value present in point A, and this is the positive y value present in point A because this 4 meter distance is indicated on the right hand side. That's why. Similarly, this 3 meter distance is considered to be the z value present in point A, and this is the positive z value present in point A because this 3 meter distance is indicated vertically upward. That's why. And there is no x value present in point A because the point A doesn't lie on the space. That's why. So the location of point A can be written as A bracket 0 y0 because there is no x value present in point A. That's why. So 0 comma positive 4 comma positive 3 bracket close meter. This is the location of point A. Now, what about the location of point C? So, this is basically our point C. So, this 2 meter distance is considered to be the x value present in point C, and it is nothing but the negative x value present in point C because this 2 meter distance is indicated into the page. That's why. And similarly, this 4 meter distance is considered to be the z value present in point C, and this is nothing but the positive z value present in point C because this 4 meter distance is indicated vertically upward and there is no y value present in point C. Okay, so the location of point C can be written as C bracket negative 2 comma 0 comma 4 meter. This is nothing but the location of point C. So our last point is the location of point B. So without any delay, just write down the location of point B. So the point B is the sibling of the point C, and similarly this 1.5 meter distance is considered to be the x value present in point B because this 1.5 meter distance is indicated out of the page, and this 6 meter distance is considered to be the z value present in point B, and it is nothing but the positive z value present in point B because this 6 meter distance is indicated vertically upward. So the location of point B can be written as B bracket 1.5 comma 0 comma 6 meter. This is the location of point B. So our first step is completed, that is to write down the locations of every single point present in our diagram. Okay, so let's talk about the position vectors. If you look at the question diagram, the head of the FB force, this is the head of the FB force, is directed towards the point B. It's mean that the point B is the final point and point A is nothing but the initial point. So the position vector of these two locations can be written as RAB, which is equal to the RB minus I. The location of B point, it is nothing but the 1.5 I cap with positive sign 6k cap. And the location of A point, it is nothing but the negative 4j cap with negative 3k cap. Now add positive 6k cap with negative 3k cap. So it gives us a result of the positive 3k cap. So it is nothing but the 1.5 I cap with negative 4 j cap with positive 3 k cap meter. This is the position vector of RAB, and don't forget to write down the unit here, and it is nothing but the meter. This is the position vector of RAB, but what about its magnitude? For the magnitude, we have the formula, that is RAB magnitude, which is equal to under root x square plus y square plus z square. X is nothing but the 1.5 square, y is nothing but the 4 square, and z is nothing but the 3 square. So if the question arises in your mind is that why I don't write the negative sign here, so the answer is, if I write the negative 4 here, so the square above the 4 will convert automatically the negative sign into the positive sign. So that's why I'm not supposed to write down the negative sign here. Now grab the calculator, put the values into it, and solve it for the magnitude of the RAB. Now the magnitude of RAB, it is nothing but the 5.22 meter. Now this is for the RAB. Let's find out the another position vector. So if you look at the diagram, the head of the FC force is directed towards the point C. It's mean that the point C is the final point and point A is the initial point. So the position vector of these 2 points can be written as RAC, which is equal to the RC minus RA. The location of C point, it is nothing but the negative 2 I cap with positive sign 4 K cap. And the location of A point, it is nothing but the again negative 4 J cap with negative 3 K cap. Now add positive 4 K cap with negative 3 K cap. So it gives us a result of the positive K cap. So it is nothing but the negative 2 I cap with negative 4 J cap with positive K cap meter. This is the position vector of RAC. But what about its magnitude? For the magnitude, we have the formula, that is the RAC magnitude, which is equal to under root x square plus y square plus z square. X is nothing but the 2 square, y is nothing but the 4 square, and z is nothing but the 1 square. So grab the calculator, put the values into it, and solve it for the magnitude of the RAC. Now the magnitude of the RAC, it is nothing but the 4.88 meter. Now our last position vector is remaining, that is the position vector of ROA. So just write down this stuff on your notes, and I'm erasing some extra thing from here. Now just find out the ROA position vector, but there is a thrill here. So this is nothing but our O point, this is nothing but our A point, and this is nothing but our B point. So our the RAB position vector can be drawn like this. This is nothing but our RAB position vector. This is. And if I am going to find out the ROA position vector, so the position vector of ROA can be drawn like this. This is nothing but our ROA position vector. But if you see these two vectors, this is nothing but our angle theta. And this theta is measured between the RAB position vector and ROA position vector measured through their head to tail. Dot product can't support such type of configuration. Because for the dot product, we see earlier that A dot B, which is equal to AB cos theta, the theta present in the dot product formula help us to find out the angle between the two vectors measured through their tails. So instead of finding out the ROA position vector, we are going to find out the RAO position vector. Okay, so this is nothing but our RAO position vector, and it's mean that the O point is our final point and the A point is nothing but our initial point. So without delay, just find out the RAO position vector here. So for RAO position vector, it is nothing but our RO minus RA. The location of O point, it is nothing but the 0i, 0j and 0k. And the location of A point, it is nothing but negative 4j with negative 3k meter. This is nothing but our the RAO position vector. But this is the position vector. What about the magnitude? For the magnitude, we have the formula, that is the RAO position vector, which is equal to under root x square plus y square plus z square. So this is nothing but the 4 square with positive sign 3 square. So it gives us a result of the 5 meter. Now we successfully find out the position vectors with the help of those locations. Now our last step is remaining to find out the value of theta and phi here. So I am erasing some extra thing from here. Now firstly, just find out the value of theta here. So theta, if you see the equation diagram, So theta, it is nothing but the angle between the RAB position vector and RAO position vector. So apply the dot product formula here. So it is nothing but the RAO position vector dot the RAB position vector, which is equal to the RAO position vector magnitude into the RAB position vector magnitude into the cos of theta. So the RAO position vector, it is nothing but negative 4j with negative 3k, and the RAB position vector, it is nothing but the 1.5 I cap with negative sign 4j cap with positive sign 3k cap, which is equal to the RAO position vector magnitude, it is equal to 5, and the RAB position vector magnitude, it is equal to 5.22 into cos of theta. Now multiply negative 4j with negative 4j, so it gives us a result of the 16, and again multiply negative 3k into the positive 3k, so it is equal to the negative 9, because in dot product we multiply like vectors with each other, that's why, which is equal to 5 into 5.22, so it gives us a result of 26.1 into cos of theta here. So cos theta, which is equal to, if you subtract 16 from 9, so it is equal to this 7, so it is equal to 7 upon 26.1. Now shift cos to the opposite side, so it is equal to the cos inverse, so theta, which is equal to cos inverse 7 upon 26.1. Now grab the calculator, put the values into it and solve it for the value of theta. Now the value of theta, it is nothing but 74.41 degree. Now this is the value of theta, but what about the value of phi here? So without wasting our time, just find out the value of phi here. Now just like the RAO and RAB position vector formula, in the same manner we easily find out the value of phi here. So if you see the equation diagram, this phi right here, it is nothing but the angle between the RAO position vector and the RAC position vector. So we apply the dot product formula here. So it is nothing but the RAO position vector dot the RAC position vector, which is equal to the RAO position vector magnitude again into the RAC position vector magnitude into the cos of phi here. Now the value of RAO, it is nothing but the negative 4j with negative 3k, and the value of the RAC position vector, it is nothing but the negative 2i cap with negative sign 4j cap with positive sign k cap, which is equal to the RAO position vector magnitude, it is nothing but the 5, and the RAC position vector magnitude, it is nothing but the 4.88 into the cos of phi. So now multiply like vectors with each other. So multiply negative 4j with negative 4j. So it gives us a result of the 16. And again multiply negative 3k with positive k. So it is equal to the negative 3, which is equal to 5 into 4.88. So it gives us a result of 24.4 into the cos of phi. Now if we subtract 16 with negative 3, so it is equal to the 13. Now cos phi, which is equal to the 13 upon 24.4. Now shift cos to the opposite side, so that it is equal to the cos inverse of 5, which is equal to cos inverse 13 upon 24.4. Now cos inverse 13 upon 24.4, so it is equal to 57.80 degree. Now your question has been solved here and your concept clear too. So just like, comment and share this video with your friends. Jazakallah, take care of yourself and we will meet again in another video. Now take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.